So now I would like to call upon stage Mr. JD. JD stands for Joydeep Datta. Joydeep Datta is pursuing Bachelor in Law. According to him, he always tried to express his inner voice through his word, and by which he paint those unexpressed feelings on the metaphorical canvas. So let's welcome Mr. JD so that he paint our evening.
So I'm here to celebrate the spring. What is spring for everyone? For me, spring is not just a season. Spring is the season where we can express our feelings, our love towards everything. And when there is a word love, there is another word which is simultaneously used in the world is pain. So today I'll share my thoughts with you. As I'm not a poet, I just express my feelings through my words. Excuse me. So for my first poem is Sikh Spring. These days are filled with desires to color my Sikh heart. The metal canvas of it got a stain as black as my each spring evening. The thorny memories are the only colors I am left with. The springtide brings me yearnings, making intense burns on my soul. Each moment of mine is burning in that fever. The residues of my sick heart tosses in the desert wind. Now the palette of desire is too dry to synthesize new color. New color for upcoming spring, colorless. Every intimacy with you, toxic and fatal, causing me this illness. So, this is the next poem I have written on spring. It's in Bengali. It's called শেষ বসন্ত আমি বসন্ত দেখেছিলাম একা বসন্ত ছিল রঙিন ঠিক যেন কাঁচা হলুদ রাঙা লক্ষ্য করিনি আমি দূরে দিগন্তের জীর্ণতা গহন আধার কৃষ্ণচূড়ার বর্ণময় মাধুর্যে বিমুগ্ধ আমি ক্ষীণ হয়েছিল আমার দৃষ্টি তার প্রতি এগিয়েছিলাম আমি যখন পা পড়েছিল শীতের শুষ্ক শুকনো পাতায় মর্মর শব্দে ভেঙে গিয়েছিল বসন্তের সেই অলিক স্বপ্ন তখন রয়ে গেলাম আমি তখন গ্রীষ্মের খরতাপে দাঁড়িয়ে একা So my next and the last poem, it's not a poem, it's just a statement and as I haven't introduced myself to you, so I am Joydeep Datta, everyone call me JD, and as career I choose law. So there is an introduction. I think I need to give my introduction in a well-versed manner. I believe in a quotation which is written in Bhagavad Gita, Aham Kratur Ham Yajna Sadaham Ahamaushadha Mantroham Hame Bachya Ham Agnirham Hotam. What Sri Krishna says is, if you believe God is everywhere, if you don't, so He won't be anywhere. So the ultimate truth, if you believe, is that the truth, and if you won't believe, that will be a sweet lie. So this poem is like, I'm not a criminal. It's not unnatural if I'm not like you. There is nothing wrong if I'm not straight. I'm not abnormal if I'm pansexual, bisexual or gay. It's my orientation. It's my own existence. Then who gives you the right to judge me? Who are you to use my identical terms as slangs? I am what I am. I can love a person who belongs to my own gender. And you can't penalize me for that. Article 15 ensures my equal rights. September 6, 2018, the day of pride. Section 377, the most unconstitutional section, 377 got decriminalized. Now I am not a criminal and being myself is not a crime. But still we are criminals in the eyes of the society, so the pride of the rainbow is still not pride. Moral of this poem is, yes, I am not straight, I am a queer person and I am so proud of my existence. So if you can meet a person, if you will meet a person from LGBT or anything, please don't make them feel that they are something different from you. They are not different from us. I'm not different from you, so they are not also different from anyone. So love them, be kind, be yourself and love yourself. Thank you so much.